Welcome to our tutorial on how to add charges to a job line. In this video, you will learn how to perform essential tasks such as updating concerned costs and correction, adding labor charges, creating sublet purchase orders, applying miscellaneous charges, and adding discounts to a service repair order job line. First, navigate to the Service Repair Orders tab on the navigation bar and select the desired record from the list. Select the job line you created. To update the concerned costs and correction, click on the CCC tab. You can update the fields as needed and click Save to apply the changes. Next, let's add labor charges. Click on the Labor tab. Here, you can calculate the labor total by entering book time entry and setting a labor rate. If the active user is marked a technician, you will be added by default. You can select another technician from the list or leave it blank. Click Save. Labor charges added will be shown under Technician Job Time. Now let's create a sublet purchase order. Click on the Sublet tab. Click the New Purchase Order button and use the vendor lookup to select a vendor or add a new one. Click Save. To add a sublet line, enter the work being done in the description. Enter your cost and how much the customer will be charged in customer total. Click Save to finalize. The charges will be added under the purchase order line. You can navigate to the purchase order by clicking the View Line icon. To add a miscellaneous charge to a service repair order, click the MISC tab. Select the appropriate MISC charge code based on your location. Specify how much you would like to charge and click Save. The charges will be added under Miscellaneous Charges. Finally, let's add a discount to a job line. Click the Discount tab. You can enter a discount amount directly or enter a discount rate. Click Save. The applied discount will be visible in the Totals tab, where you can find a breakdown of all the charges we have added. You've now learned how to add charges to a service repair order job line. Thank you for watching.